Hello everyone, in today's video I am sharing what I ate in a day. So to start off with, for lunch I made some taptuki, which was in a spicy sauce. So taptuki is made with rice flour. And then I had this with some noodles and I added some eggs onto the noodles as well. So these noodles were the buldak carbonara creamy ramen noodles. For dessert I had these mochis. These have come from Taiwan and I've not had these before, so it was the first time trying them. They were kiwi flavoured and it said it had a custard filling in the inside. They looked quite cool, they were quite spongy and soft. They really did taste like kiwi and there was a little bit of custard filling. The dough was quite thick. Day 2 I made some red Thai curry and some chicken stir fry. So I decided to eat the chicken stir fry with some of the soba noodles. So the soba noodles were mixed with dark soy sauce and some different flavourings, and I also had made some tofu with some onions and soy sauce and sesame seeds. So the stir fry contained chicken, cabbage and red pepper and onions and soy sauce. It came out really good. It was like full of flavour. The tofu was quite nice with the noodles as well, and I really liked using the cabbage in the stir fry. I will do this again because it just added extra crunch. These are my favourite noodles, the soba noodles. Day 3 I made some pancakes and I had them with banana. For lunch I picked up some sushi and also some mochis. So I've got the strawberry mochi with strawberry filling in the middle, and it's a strawberry cheesecake and a mango cheesecake mochi as well. So it had on the outside like brisket crumbs that you would have inside a cheesecake, and inside it was filled with cream cheese and some strawberry. It did taste like a cheesecake. And then after that I had the sushi with some soya. I just had to have the mochi first. Just wanted to try it. And then after the sushi I tried the mango one. So the mango one had some cream cheese and it was mixed with the mango flavour. I prefer the mango one. And for dinner I had egg fried rice with some crispy duck and some lovely Thai sauce. This one was from the takeaway. It was snowing quite badly outside. There was a lot of snow on all the cars and the roads were packed up with snow. I started to make some meal preparation for the next day. So I was making some crispy vegetable fritters just to have as a snack. So I mixed some mixed vegetables with some corn, some gram flour and some eggs. So the vegetables it has is, I think it's cabbages, carrots, bean sprout. So I added some turmeric powder and some salt. And then whilst I let that sit, I started to make the tofu. So I've really started to eat tofu recently because it's so healthy to have, and it makes for a really good snack. So I just cut them into chunks. I do like the taste of tofu as well because it absorbs all the flavour of whatever sauce you cook it in. So this was the plant-based tofu. It was the organic, soft, super firm one. I just prefer it firm because the soft one breaks quite easily. So what I did was I coated them in flour because I wanted them to be a bit crispy. While that was being cooked in the air fryer, I started on a healthy dessert. So I was making a blueberry cheesecake style dessert, but I was using yogurt instead to make it healthy. So I added some cinnamon, some eggs. I had some mashed up banana in the tray at the start, and then I added my blueberries. I had seen this recipe and I really wanted to try it because I'm always up for trying new healthy ideas. And I do like cheesecake, but it does have a lot of calories, so I wanted to try a healthier version. So whilst I put that in the oven to bake, I started making the vegetable fritters. So I just put some oil on the air fryer just to line the tray, and then I added them in. It was quite difficult to try and get them not to touch. In a separate pan, I was making a tofu dish. So I started with frying some of the onions in olive oil and also adding in some of the spring onions. And while that was cooking, I just made some okra with some of the onions, okra and turmeric. And to the tofu, I added some soy sauce once the onion was softened. Then I added some sweet Thai chili sauce. And then the tofu, which was pre-cooked in the air fryer. So the tofu had a crispy outside. So this basically tastes like chicken when it's made like this. It's nice and crunchy on the outside, and the sauce soaks into the outside, and then it's nice and soft on the inside. So that was pretty much done. It was nice and simple. And it can go as a side dish with other food. Here I was making some fried onions to go on top of the rice. I like to have some onions that are quite crispy on top of the rice because I find it adds so much flavour. And this is it after it was added on top of the rice. And here is what the yogurt cheesecake looked like after it was baked. So you can see the blueberry has released some of the colour. And then I also had some fruit pudding. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.